Today we are going to learn about 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle. In right angle triangle, when one of the angle is of 60 degrees and another is of 30 degrees, then this triangle has a special significance. That means we should know about the lengths of these sides according to hypotenuse. We all know the side facing right angle is called as hypotenuse. That means in ABC, AC is the hypotenuse. Now let us see what is the relation between lengths of hypotenuse and the side facing 60 degree and side facing 30 degree. So to prove that, first we have to draw a side, let us say BD, just equal in length with BC. Let us draw BD equal to BC. Now let us join this D and A. Now we have two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle ABD. In both the triangles, angle B is right angle triangle. That means angle ABC is congruent to angle ABD as it is right angle triangle. Also, side AB is congruent to side AB itself as it is common to both triangles. And again, side BC is equal to side BD according to construction we have done. This is construction we have done. So due to this, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD by side angle side, that is SAS test. As these two triangles are congruent, their corresponding angles should be congruent. That means angle ACB is equal to, that means measure of angle ACB is equal to measure angle ADB. That means angle ADB is also of 60 degrees. And when we consider triangle ADC, the greater one, that is triangle ADC, it has two angles with measure 60 degree. That means angle D is of 60 degree, angle C is of 60 degree. And as we know, the measure of triangles, addition of measure of three angles of triangle is 180 degrees. That means the whole angle A must be of 60 degrees. So if this whole angle becomes 60 degrees, that means ADC is having 60 degree angles. That means triangle ADC is an equilateral triangle. As it is equilateral triangle, that means side AC equal to side AD equal to side DC. Three sides are equal. From this, we take AC equal to BC. But as we know, DC whole is made up of BB plus BC and each has equal length. That means DC is equal to twice BC. That means we can write here also BC equal to DB plus BC, and as DB and BC are same, AC will be equal to twice BC. And if we divide both sides by 2, we will get 1 upon 2 AC is equal to BC. And BC is the side. BC is the side which is opposite to angle 30 in triangle ABC. That means in 30, 60, 90 degree triangle, the side which is opposite to 30 degree is half of the hypotenuse. Now, according to Pythagoras theorem, in triangle ABC, we can write AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Now, AB square plus, we have just proved BC is equal to 1 upon 2 AC. Therefore, for BC we replace by 1 upon 2 AC. Bracket square equal to AC square. Therefore, AB square plus square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, AC square equal to AC square. Let us subtract 1 upon 4 AC square from both sides. We will get AB square equal to AC square minus 1 upon 4 AC square. So, AB square equal to AC square, let us take common. It will become 1 minus 1 upon 4 AC square. For the subtraction of fraction, we have to make denominator same. So, we have to multiply by 4 and divide by 4. That means 1 we can write as 4 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4 equal to AC square. Therefore, AB square equal to, as denominator is same, we can direct subtract the numerators. 4 minus 1, it becomes 3 upon 4 into AC square. Now, taking square root, on both sides, we get AB equal to, as root of 3 we will write root 3 upon root of 4 is 2 equal to AC. That means the side which is facing the 60 degree angle in 30, 60, 90 triangle is root 3 upon 2 times the hypotenuse. That means if hypotenuse is given to us and told that it is the 30, 60, 90 degree triangle, we can write length of both the sides. For example, if we have given that hypotenuse as 12, then the side opposite to 30, that means BC, will be half of the hypotenuse. That means it will be 6, and the side opposite to 60 degree AB is root 3 upon 2 times the hypotenuse. That means it will become 6 root 3. In this way, if any of the side from these 3 sides is given, we can find out length of the remaining 2 if it is known that it is 30, 60, 90 degree triangle.